Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure indicator. This indicator of a Ford Focus 2017. We had a flat tire, we repaired it and I've reset it recently. And this is how you do it. First of all, turn the ignition on to the second position, then use these buttons over here. Go to the left, then to settings with the down button. This one, and press driver assist, and go down to tire monitor, and this is the area. Hold OK to store the tire pressure. Hold OK for a few minutes and you'll see that the tire monitor tire pressure is stored, and this indicator over here of a flat tire will disappear. That's how it's done. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.